Today I'm out in the garage working on the red 88 S10. I was going to put the exhaust up on it, but all the aftermarket stuff that I ordered is just wrong. Like, it aims up towards the cab, the Y pipe is split too far apart, it hits the transmission. So I had to order a different one, a different brand. So while I'm waiting for those parts to come in, I'm going to do the battery box, because the bolt that holds the battery box is all walled out, and then I'll show you that. So it just sits in here and just kind of spins. So I'm going to get the Eastwood TIG 200 out and TIG weld it together. Best thing to have is a tungsten sharpener. You just put your tungsten in that hole and it sharpens it perfectly. See if I can show you. Sorry if it's real loud. And then your tungsten is ready to go. Alright, I got everything set up. Clamp ground right here on the clamp on the battery box. Just get my gloves on, because when you TIG weld, your hands are real close to everything, and you got to be able to you got to make sure you don't burn yourself, because it gets real hot. Now, I haven't TIG welded in a while, since last summer. So if it looks like poop, it's going to look like poop for the both of us, because that's just how it's going to be. Well, let's see if I can TIG weld this. I got a good tack weld on there, but I need to turn it up just a little bit, because it's taking a minute to get hot, and then I need it to get burning. Alright, here we go again. I gotta get to the other side, because I ran out of room. Now I can go from here around to here. And we got one more spot. And there we go. Doesn't look the best. It's, I said, it's been a while. I don't know what that is. I'm just gonna call it a nipple. But yeah, all welded together. gonna put it back in the truck, and then that battery box is done. Well, I'll paint it first and then put it back in the truck. But yeah, see more stuff on the truck. Just keep on watching.